All right, I'm going to show you guys how to find the absolute value of a complex number. And to do that, we are going to use this little guy right here, the square root of a squared plus b squared. A squared is the number in the real part of the complex number, the a, and then b squared is the number in the imaginary part of the complex number. So let's take a look at, let's do number 4 here. I'm going to start off with our a squared plus b squared, or the square root of a squared plus b squared. Now we are simply going to just substitute 3 for a, so that would be 3 squared, plus we are going to substitute -6 for b, and then 3 to the second power is 9. -6 to the second power, that's -6 times -6. That is going to give me a positive 36. Let's continue to simplify. 9 plus 36. That is going to give me 45, square root of 45. So the question is, can you simplify any further the square root of 45? And yes, we can. We can take 9 times 5 is 45, and we can actually take the square root of 9. The square root of 9 is 3. We'll leave the 5 inside the radical. And so this would be the absolute value of that complex number. And really what you're doing is you're finding the distance that this complex number is from the origin, and you'll see a couple of these examples here in another video that I'll provide you on how to graph complex numbers. Okay, one more. Let's look at number 7. What happens if we have 2 negatives for our a and b? Well, nothing's going to change. When we substitute, we're just going to use parentheses. Let's try this. So here we go. Our a is -4, so we'll go -4 squared plus our b is -3 squared. Let's simplify. -4 times itself, negative times a negative, that will give me positive 16. -3 times -3, that will give me positive 9. And when you continue to simplify, 16 plus 9 is 25. And guess what? We can take the square root of 25. It is 5.